Hello everybody, welcome to Tech Galaxy. In today's video, I'll show you how to make colors pop in Photoshop. To understand the process better, you have to understand this image. You can see here that the red is complementary to cyan, green is complementary to magenta, and blue is complementary to yellow color. Decrease cyan to increase the red color and decrease red to increase the cyan. Similarly, decrease magenta to increase green color and vice versa. Decrease yellow to increase blue color, decrease blue to increase the yellow color. I have an image opened here in Photoshop. I will create a selective color adjustment layer. Select the red color. Now to increase the red, we have to decrease the cyan as red is complementary to cyan. So I will increase the red. Now select yellow. Increase the yellow color. Select green, R, G. So we have to decrease magenta to increase green. Click on cyan, increase the cyan color. Select blue, R, G, B, decrease yellow to increase the blue color. Select magenta, increase magenta, and that's it. You can see the before and after of the image. The color has enhanced. If you want to enhance the color further, select create a vibrance adjustment layer and increase the vibrance. So you can see here that how fantastically it has enhanced the color. So that's it for the video guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.